Everyone, this is Kimberly Shipley. I'm sorry I haven't been on for a couple of days. And I'll tell y'all what's going on. Sorry, I'm a little hoarse too. Just this time of year with my lung infection, sometimes it gets me hoarse a little bit. But anyway, the reason I haven't been on is because of the hoarseness. Caleb's been not feeling well. And of course, he's my most important thing in life. And so, if you new to the channel, Caleb's my 9-year-old son. And anyway, I ain't gonna put everything on here, but I will say this: that he had a very bad issue with an eye, one of his eyes. We've been having to go back and forth between doctor and also eye doctor. At first, we thought it was an infection, but come to find out, it's an actual. And I don't release exact information, but it's an eye disease in one of his eyes. So I'm very concerned about that. We got to go back to the doctor in the morning. And so I've been trying to take care of Caleb. A lot of eye drops and things like that. You know, you've had issues. And again, I don't want to share everything completely on here, but it's something very concerning. And please, you know, if you believe in prayer, please say a prayer for Caleb. I'm very concerned about what's wrong with him right now, and the eye doctor is as well. Right now, it's only affecting one of his eyes. So, anyway, if I'm ready, I might go in more detail later. But right now, my mind's focused on him. But anyway, that's one thing, the reason why I haven't been on. I'm not going to let Caleb come on camera right now. Not with the, he's having pain in his eye, and it's very red and watery. So anyway, but if you believe in prayer, please say a prayer for Caleb. If you believe in good vibes, say good vibes for him. Because I'm very concerned about the situation that's going on with him right now. But anyway, and that's the reason why I haven't been on. You know, when you have a child that's not feeling good, you're having to care for him. And of course, as you know, I'm his only parent now. If you don't know, Caleb's father, my husband, passed away back on Christmas Eve of last year. So being a single mom, you know, my first priority is my little boy. And I did get some boxes from Amazon from y'all guys, some of y'all guys. So I want to do a box opening. I wanted to do it with Caleb. And I got the boxes on Sunday. But, of course, Caleb's birthday was Monday. And then now this issue's come up. And I've just kind of got delayed on trying to get things, you know, something like box opener or whatever. So anyway, I wanted to be able to do that online right now. Let's see. Let me get my glasses on and we'll go through that real quick. These are gift cards. One's Cane's and $25 gift cards, it looks like. Another one's Sonic. What did you say? Sonic. So I got 2 gift cards. And let me go through. There we go. And this is a gift from Deborah. Thank you so much, Deborah. And I know Caleb will also appreciate these gift cards. I kind of opened it and showed it to him. So he'll appreciate these gift cards. He said he loved it. Of course, Cane's is one of Caleb's favorite places. And Sonic, he loves Sonic too. So, thank you so much, Deborah. We appreciate that. And now here's another one. Let's see if I can get this one open. Let's see. Well, this is, well, first I'll tell you who it's from. Deborah again. Thank you again, Deborah. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I've been wanting one of these. That's the reason this is for me. This is to help magnetic smartphone holder, and it goes on your neck, so you can film like this right here, and y'all are looking straight at me. So it's kind of like that right there. And yes, now I want to really like this. I'll have to look at it. I'll look at it off camera, kind of see how it works, because I'm on my phone right now. So that's what y'all are on, is my phone at the moment. But yes, this is something I've been wanting to use for a while. Let me show you how it works a little closer. There's a demonstration if you can sit on the box. How it works. Thank you so much, Deborah. I really appreciate that. Let's see, and there's another one. So I got another box here. Teddy stayed over here next to me looking, open these boxes. He buys like, I hope it's a bone. I hope it's a new toy. Going Teddy. What we got in here? Let's see. Here is, a pizza cutter. Oh, I needed another one of those. Mine is so giving dull. Yeah, look at there. Yeah, pizza cutter. And I've had mine forever. And I noticed one of the last time we got Domino's, they didn't cut it all the way. That was, I think, the last pizza we ate. Of course, I get Tombstones too. But it wouldn't even cut the Domino's pizza. I mean, I had to sit there and work so hard on that. So thank you. See on this one. With the tape up. Oh, this is for Christmas. Oh, there looks like they shipped really good. But Grinch Christmas balls. They ain't balls for you, Teddy. This is going on a Christmas tree, honey. Teddy loves balls to throw. I guess he thinks when I said ball, he thought these is for him, dog ball. Yeah, but this ain't your balls to throw. This goes on a Christmas tree. You may have forgotten since last year, but I'll show you what it is. Just not today. We ain't put up a tree yet. Look, thank you so much. And we'll see. Let me set this over here. These are so cute, though. See them again, colored Grinch. I kind of want to do something different this year. And usually I have a regular, just a artificial tree, but like a regular green, pine tree. So this year, since everything happened so much on Christmas last year, I just wanted the scenery around our home to be a little different, even though we're going to celebrate Christmas. And we're going to go to a relative's house for actually Christmas Eve and stuff. My husband's mom, she wanted us to come down there on Christmas Eve. And oh, this is also from Deborah. Thank you so much, Deborah. And anyway, she wanted us to come down there on Christmas Eve and us just having a different scenery and different environment. I figured we all could use it, including her too. Of course, that was her son that passed. We was all right there. And I just think it'd be a nice, different environment for us to go to, other just right around here. Again, I apologize for being hoarse. I hope nobody gets upset about that. I mean, it's something I can't help right now. But a lot of times during spring, or now we're in October, weather changing, and when allergies gets flipped up a little bit, my lung infection has been acting up more lately because of this environment change. Allergies is acting up, it gets in my throat more. So that's the reason why I'm hoarse. I do it in the spring. And now, since I've had the lung infection, I've noticed I'm doing it in both kind of spring area and during the fall area too. So I apologize again, but you will have to look over that. If I waited until it went away to make content, I'll tell you right now, it'll take a couple of weeks. Next week, when we get paid, I get more money in. I'm going to order something that's called Entertainer's. Let's see, is it Entertainer's Friend? It's a spray, and I ordered it once and it really helped me, but I've got to order it on Amazon. So, let's see. I'm trying to remember the exact name of Entertainer's Friend, or I'm going to add it to my Amazon wish list. But a lot of times they recommend when singers get hoarse and stuff, and I would like to try that again. I tried it once and actually really helped. By the next day, a lot of the hoarseness went away. So anyway, I'd like to try that again. I just don't have none here. So, I mean, I am going to add it to our wish list that I put in all the descriptions now. But if not, I'll get it next week when I get the extra money. Right now, I'm at the point of it's just a few days before payday. And, well, I mean, you get to your bottom of the barrel, dip it in. So, of course, we got to eat and things like that, too. So, anyway, yeah, that's the reason I'm kind of wait a few days to order it. But, anyway, I'm not going to make this a long video. I just wanted to get up here and update everybody what's going on. I probably will do more videos this week. Again, please overlook the hoarseness. I know some people gets very picky when they watch videos. If somebody's not feeling well, or well, why'd you just make this video? I even had people saying that. And I'm like, well, I wanted to get on here and try. Because, I feel like maybe if you don't make content daily or every other day, at least, the people will be like, well, where are they at? Where are they at? They're not expecting you to be off for a few days, even if you feel bad or something. But then again, sometimes when you post a video like this and I'm hoarse, I'll be like, well, would you make a video because of that? I thought, well, because I'm trying to get content out to everybody. And this may take a couple of weeks to get, feeling better. I don't know. But, it's almost like you can't win for losing, that type of situation. I don't want to say it like this, but the old saying, and forgive me for saying this, but I don't know another way of saying it, but, you damned if you do, you damned if you don't. And again, I apologize. I don't know other way of really saying it. So that's sometimes what I feel like, when I feel bad or, something's going on with me, that, I don't know. I mean, that's just the way I feel sometimes, people's going to get mad about one way or another that you're not putting out content versus when you're putting out content. Excuse me, I had a sneeze. So anyway, I won't keep everybody. I just wanted to be able to do this box opening. I wish Caleb would have been able to do it with me. But right now at this point, again, he's got some swelling in his eye and watery, and I don't want him to be on camera like that. So, but again, if you believe in prayer, please say a prayer for Caleb right now, because the issue, what's going on with his eye, it's very concerning for me. So, and again, we got to go back to the eye doctor in the morning. But I'll let everybody know if, he's getting better or whatever, I don't want to release too much information out about it because, some things we need to keep personal. But anyway, again, I'm going to go ahead and get on off here. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Even though I'm hoarse right now, I'm sorry. I don't normally talk like this, but I mean, I do have a bad lung infection. It's chronic, won't go away. So weather changing again gets it worse, and I apologize. But and you can't help what it's just a part of your life. I still want to get it on here and get y'all content. Tonight's content was more or less updating you about Caleb and box opening from Deborah, and I appreciate that so much, Deborah. God bless you. I mean, I really appreciate if anybody sends me anything from Amazon or whatever, I do appreciate it so much. A gift card is so much helpful to us. Like a Sonic gift card, an example. We have one uptown, and I can load it on a mobile order, just order our food and go on. And I mean, it's really beneficial. That helps me financially feed us even better. I mean, I feed us anyway. It's not what I'm kind of saying, but that helps. Food stretch out a little bit better, and it helps for me and stuff. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to get on here and do this for everybody. I'll try to put out another video tomorrow if any way possible. It may be some type of motivational video. I'll talk as much as I can, but as you can see, why I might not talk as much. Right now, I don't have also Epic Music to be able to put, just really can't afford it at the moment, to be able to kind of like, instead of having to talk so much, put music in there. So, I mean, that's the reason I ain't adding music at the moment. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to touch base with everybody. And again, I apologize. I've been off for a few days. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. And please, when you like a video of mine, you're really helping me. Because when YouTube sees you hit a like, you watched the video, then you liked it. And even if you leave a comment just saying, hey, I'm from Kentucky, is an example. If you want to say what state you're from. The comment helps the algorithm. A like really helps. So that helps me get my content for this channel to grow. Excuse me. So anyway, I'll go ahead and get off here. My throat's getting scratchy. But anyway, I'll try to be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you, everyone. God bless and good night.